What is going on, YouTube? It's David here with ESB. Yes, we're back. Maybe, hopefully. We'll find out. But we finally got a GoPro. Got a GoPro Hero 10 and stuff, so hopefully the video might be a little better. I don't know about audio. We'll have to figure that out when we get there. If you have any input, resolution, this is on, I got it on 1080 to kind of save on space and stuff like that. Trying to figure things out. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. But today's video gonna be a little different. Usually we have our automotive stuff, hanging out with friends, party and whatnot, which that stuff's still gonna happen. But today's video, we've been getting into a little, I guess it's a hobby. Got too many dang hobbies, but we fish a lot now. So today's video, we're gonna be out on Boone Lake. Well, this will be tomorrow from today, but tomorrow morning we're gonna be going out into the lake. Next week they're doing winter drawdown, so the lake's gonna lower and stuff like that. But hopefully we'll get some good fishing content and catch some decent ones. If not, then well, whatever, that goes, that's how fishing is. But hope you guys enjoy this new content on the new camera, all that fun stuff. Let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? We're out here, we're on the lake, we're on Boone, me and Madison.
What's up?
Cameron slept in and didn't have a message, so I guess he ain't coming, but we're gonna get some fishing content today and hope you guys enjoy. We need to fix this dang step.
Damn, that thing's huge.
Weren't even here for 5 minutes and Addison's already got him one.
Hurt my drag.
Pretty good. Let's see if I can get this GoPro out. No shot, dude.
No, dude,
no
it's
shot.
Big ass.
Who are you using?
Crankbait.
Damn.
Crank.
Oop.
God.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a strike, right? That's not it.
Is it a hybrid? What is it? Oh, no way it is.
Yeah. You're gonna have to. That's got some weight to it. Let me get the. Oh God, I've never been to pick one of these things up before. Bring him up. There we go.
Yeah, buddy.
Fuck yeah.
That's wild.
It's hooked.
I don't have my multi-tool. Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
In my bag. Right.
Yeah. Look at that.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I got you. Hold it up. Yeah, buddy.
Fuck yeah.
First fish of the day's a good one. That's crazy. Let's keep having luck like that.
Crazy. Dude, I'm amped.
Dude, man, it's like, damn, I need to do this again.
Yeah.
That's wild. The fish we aren't even going for, dude.
I know.
Oh, of course it. Damn it. Is it? No, it's not. What's it doing? There it goes. Really?
Yep. No. Dude, I swear it feels like one, I swear.
Got you on edge.
Dude, I'm tweaking bad.
Well, hell yeah, boys. The scramble to turn on the GoPro was crazy.
Oh, I guarantee it.
Calm down, homie. Get that pressure point. Not too bad, not too bad. No shot, dude.
Did you really?
Calm down, brother. Thanks for not flinging my ow. Thanks for not flinging my worm this time. Lord have mercy. Open your mouth, homie. Not a bad one. Thanks, brother. Do what? Oh. Is that a gar? What is that? It's gone now. It looked like a gar. Atta boy.
Oh, man.
Smalley.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good, huh? Nice.
Pretty good one. Thank you, friend. Either that or it's the camera.
Yeah. I'll tell you. We'll just start recording all the time. This means we were like, damn, we're being recorded. We got to catch some fish.
Mm-hmm. It's a husky. think from these docks. Slow us up a little bit here. There's a lot of shadow over here, so maybe you might have to push us off of that.
I did see a fish back there in that corner, but when I hit the dock, I think it spooked it.
Yeah. It was a successful day, I'd say. Caught 6, I think, total. Not very big ones, but well, we had the striper, which was a pretty big one, so that was
right off the bat.
That was pretty cool. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you like these types of videos, leave a comment below, subscribe, like it, and we'll do more stuff like this, which we probably will do more stuff like this anyway.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Until next time, we'll see y'all later. Alrighty. Oh, I can't keep my balance. Also guys, this little extra portion, we decided to fish this on our way out. If you have any locations that you think we should try, local to Eastern Tennessee, let us know. Hell, it could be a spot that you think we'll have luck at here on Boone or South Holston. Just let us know, and we're more than happy to go try it, because we're usually, at least during the summer portions, we're usually out here at least once a week. God, this one's heavy. Maybe. Shit. Little bonus fish action.
Nice.
Let's not dip that in the water. Not too shabby, guys.
Bonus.